Hello everyone. This is a replacement Samsung Epic 4G. I cracked the screen on my old one. I'm actually using it to record this video right now. And I just got my replacement in for the insurance, so I'm going to open it up and show you what they send back. There's the phone. Inside we get a new battery, same size, 1500. New micro SD card, 16 gigabyte, a new back battery cover, and a sticker. In the FedEx box there was a envelope to send back the phone. They let you keep your chargers, your SD cards, everything like that. Just send back the phone. Well, yeah, there it is.